Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write degree Celsius in Microsoft Excel. Click on this Insert tab, then Equation, and here select this degree Celsius, degrees Celsius. You can use this shortcut /DEG C and press spacebar one time. Another way, type DEG F, only degrees symbol, so DEG REE, and then space bar one time. So these are options to write degrees in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.